So this is how my morning has gone. I woke up to fold the towels in the laundry. I know, it's just as shocking to me that I woke up to do laundry. But I did. Anyhow, so I went to the laundry room to fold up this laundry, and I moved the basket of socks because who actually folds socks? Not me. They get thrown in a drawer. And there was a mouse. A freaking mouse! And Matt was all the way back in the office with his loudspeakers going. He wouldn't be able to hear me scream. And he was trapped under a house shoe that was trapped under the basket of socks. So I had to use the side of my house shoe to pick up this mouse like a puppy and throw it outside. For those of you who don't know, we moved into the middle of a field. That's where we put our house, in a field. I just sneezed in my cereal on accident. Well, won't be eating the rest of that. This is the dadgum mouse's fault, because if I wouldn't have been so distraught, maybe I wouldn't have had to sneeze. We're going to go with that one. I kind of feel bad now because Comet's eating my sneezy cereal.
Is that good?
My wallet doesn't feel that bad about it.